This video talks about SPM Mathematics Paper 2 for 2023. Question number 9 and question number 10. Question number 9. Diagram 5 shows an equilateral triangle ABC. Point P, Q, and R are midpoints of lines BC, AC, and AB respectively. A. State whether triangles APB and BQC are congruent. Justify your answer. Triangle APB and triangle BQC are congruent due to the length of corresponding sides are equal. AB equals BC, AP equals BQ, and BP equals CQ. Therefore, the triangle congruent rule is side side side. SSS. B. Triangle PQR is the image of triangle ABC under a single transformation. Describe fully the transformation. In any enlargement transformation, every original point, the center of enlargement, and the image point must lie on the same straight line. They are collinear. Let's draw lines connecting each corresponding point. Draw a line through A and P. A line through C and R. A line through B and Q. The point where all three lines meet is the center of enlargement. The center of enlargement is 3, 2. Then, find the scale factor by measuring the sides of the triangles. The formula of scale factor K is the length of image divided by the length of object. Measure a side of the original triangle. BC is 5 units. Measure the corresponding side of the image triangle. RQ is 2.5 units. The scale factor equals 2.5 over 5. If the shape is the same way up, the scale factor is positive. If the shape is flip, the scale factor is negative. Triangle PQR is flip. Then, a symbol of minus is added to the scale factor. Equal minus 1/2. Thus, the single transformation that maps triangle ABC onto triangle PQR is an enlargement with the center at 3, 2 and a scale factor of minus 1/2. Question number 10. A. Miss Ilham calculates her chargeable income by subtracting the total amount in Table 6.1 from her total annual income. Is her calculation step correct? No. Tax rebate should not be subtracted during calculation of chargeable income. Tax rebate be subtracted during calculation of tax payable. B. Calculate the income tax that Miss Ilham needs to pay for that year. First, a chargeable income is needed before a tax payable is calculated. Chargeable income refers to the amount of income that is subject to tax after applying all allowable deductions and reliefs. Chargeable income equals total income minus tax exemption and minus tax relief. The total income 69,200. Tax exemption 470. Tax relief 18,500. Chargeable income equal 69200 minus 470 minus 18,500. The calculated result is 50,230 ringgit Malaysia. Once the chargeable income is determined, we can then calculate the tax payable using the applicable tax rates from the table. Payable income tax equals base tax plus tax on next balance minus tax rebate. Refer to the income tax rate. The chargeable income, 50,230 ringgit Malaysia, is in the category 50001 to 70,000. Base tax is the tax on the first 50,000 of the chargeable income, 1,800 to be charged for the first 50,000. Payable income tax equals base tax, 1,800 plus the tax on next balance, 13% to be charged on next balance. That's 50,230 minus 50,000 times 13%. Then, deduct the tax rebate. The tax rebate is given 1,260. Base tax, tax on next balance, and tax rebate. Simplify to 1,800 plus 29.90 minus 1260. The calculated result is 569.90. Therefore, the income tax to be paid by Ms. Ilham is 569.90 ringgit Malaysia. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.